Welcome back to this channel, and today I want to show you a very unique way that you have never seen how you can make your onion juice. Do you want to see how I came up with this? Watch this video up to the end. So what do you need? You need some onions. You also need to have your grater, and also you are going to have your blender, that is if you want to blend the onions. You also need to have your spray bottle and also a clean bowl, and also you are going to need a knife because you will be cutting the onions. You are also going to need something to sieve and some little amount of water. I'm also going to use my essential oil peppermint because I want to mask the onion smell. Onion smell is not that good, so I will need this. If you don't have essential oil, you can use a fragrance of your choice, but in my case, I'm going to use the peppermint essential oil. The first thing is to prepare your onion, and that is what I'm doing. I'm going to wash this onion because I want it to be clean. And then now after, I'm going now to officially start the process. I'm going to cut my onion into 2 halves. I will be using a grater. I'm not going to use a blender because I will only be using 1 half of the onion. And please join me because I cried a lot. Onions. I'm done crying, and I'm also done making my onions. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour some amount of water and mix with these onions. And then now I've seen most people, whenever you pour some water, you sieve immediately. But for me, what I normally do is I wait for that water to sit for like 30 minutes, and then after I sieve. You look at this water. It looks somehow white, you can see. So if I sieve it immediately, it will not have that pinkish color, so it will stay for 30 minutes. Let's see how the water looks like after 30 minutes. Now this is my onion juice after 30 minutes. You see now the difference? So that is what I normally do. I wait for my water to mix together with the onion for like 30 minutes. Then now I'm going to sieve, and after I'm done sieving, I'm also going to put something else. Look what I have here, guys. This is now my onion juice, and this is what I'm going to apply on my hair right now. This is what I was looking for. I was looking for this pinkish color, and now I have it. I have what I wanted. This is what I wanted, my onion juice. Here I have my essential oil, peppermint oil, and I'm going to put like 1 drop of the oil and then mix, so that now if you have used onion juice before, you know the kind of smell that juice has. So I don't like the smell, so I'm going to use this oil so that I may mask the smell, the onion smell. Finally, this is my onion juice, and the smell is not that bad, at least. So this is what now I'm going to spray on my hair. And one thing about onion juice is that it is so rich with sulfur, and this sulfur helps to produce collagen and stimulate your hair. So onion juice helps to boost your hair growth. Another thing about onion juice is that it strengthens your hair from the roots. So the natural nutrients in the onion make your hair strands strong and reduce breakage. Another thing about onion juice is that it reduces hair thinning and bald spots. So you can see I'm focusing on my scalp only. I will not be spraying this onion juice on the rest of my hair. I will just be focusing on the scalp. One thing about onion juice is that when you apply it, it makes your hair sometimes to dry. And by the way, guys, if you are wondering if I'm going to wash, I'm not going to wash after I spray this. I'm not going to wash. I'm going to let it stay like that until when I will be doing my wash day. That is when I will wash, because I'm not thinking of washing my hair until maybe next week, the end of this month, somewhere there. So I'm going to let it stay. So another benefit of onion juice is that it fights dandruffs. Onions have that antibacterial and antifungal properties that help keep the scalp clean and free from dandruffs. Another benefit of onion is that onion helps with alopecia. So there's a research that was done, and they say that many people saw visible results after some months. Another benefit of onion juice is that it adds shine and thickness to your hair. And also another thing about onion juice is that it reduces scalp inflammation. So I'm going to massage. I have to massage. And another thing, you can actually mix your onion juice with castor oil, with rosemary oil, with your aloe vera if you want to see better results, and if you don't want to use it alone. But if you are sensitive to that smell, if you don't want to use the peppermint, the essential oil like peppermint, like rosemary, things like that, like the fragrance, if you don't want to use something like that, you can after you are done applying the onion juice on your hair, you can rinse with lemon water. Okay, but for me, I normally put that essential oil. So my focus here was only on the scalp and not on my hair. I hope you get it. My focus was only on the scalp. So that is all. That is how you can make your onion juice.